There's a huge problem with email, and it costs the world over $500 billion every year. Email was designed to be very similar to traditional paper mail, wrapping the communication in a virtual envelope with a to and from address. But as email grew, so did spam, malicious messaging, and phishing attacks. Today, users can't trust that an email's actually from the purported sender. It's surprisingly easy for attackers to mimic a legitimate email and mask their identity to steal money, personal information, credit cards, and credentials. These attacks have become the largest threat to IT security today, costing companies millions of dollars a year, and worse, damaging the trust between a brand and its customers. To solve this problem, a global security standard was published by a large consortium of leading companies. These founding companies include some of the most significant financial services, email, and internet providers. This standard is called DMARC and allows receiving servers to authenticate inbound emails using two separate authentication protocols named DKIM and SPF. If fraud or tampering is detected, then the DMARC policy tells the receiver of the suspicious email to quarantine or reject it, protecting the domain owner's customers, staff, and suppliers from phishing. But it doesn't stop there. DMARC relays this information back to the brand or domain owner, ensuring that they have visibility of the attempted phishing attacks and are able to take action. With the help of DMARC, the investigation and protection work is done automatically, restoring the trust in email. Sendmarc is the first company in Africa to make this technology easily available to domain owners. Sendmarc.com integrates with all the leading email platforms and doesn't require any changes to existing infrastructure, no user training, and no downtime. Sendmarc calls on all domain owners to become responsible email citizens. Know your own domain safety score by going to Sendmarc.com to test it. If your domain scores less than 4 out of 5, your email is non-compliant and easy to impersonate. Ask your trusted IT provider to help you become DMARC compliant, making the internet a safer place.